The following opinions are solely those of BoatTEST.com and its test captain.
When it comes to fit and finish, Hatteras Yachts are clearly on a premium level. Joinery is perfect. No defects are found where edges of one piece come together to another. No filler is needed to correct errors because there simply aren't any. Today, we're going to take a detailed look at how Hatteras is able to maintain the quality of work we've come to expect from its interiors. For one thing, Hatteras is able to control this painstaking attention to detail because all of the components are made in-house, as modules outside the boat. This way, items such as this companionway module for an M75, everything can be properly reinforced to handle sea conditions, vents and wire runs can be added, all making the entire module, in effect, plug and play. Here's the port stateroom for an M75. The berths will go on either side of this nightstand. Here's a starboard stateroom with a hull side window alongside the hanging locker. This owner requested twin berths instead of the standard single. And here's an M75 companionway. When it comes time to move the components into the boat, that process is called flying it in. Sandbags ensure that it's properly weighted to prevent swinging and keep it level, and then it's lifted by crane and, well, flown over to the yacht and then lowered in position. In this case, the starboard side deck of the master stateroom in this M75. This is the desk and bookcase for the M75. The hull side window will be cut into the back wall, and then the bottom will be removed to make the desk. And the materials make a difference. You can use marine grade plywood, which weighs about 30 pounds a sheet, light ply, which weighs 20 pounds, or Nida-core at 10 pounds a sheet. Nida-core, however, has a honeycomb structure that requires you to drill a hole and then add a backer block for every screw you want to put in. Therefore, Hatteras uses light ply, which can be fastened normally, but is still lighter. All the pieces are machine cut and put on a cart to be delivered to the workers for assembly. They follow a pattern that maps out the numbers on each part, and this works from the simple to the more complex. It's this painstaking attention to detail that we pointed out time and again in a finished Hatteras. It's quality that can be seen everywhere we look. And that's our brief look at the woodworking component of Hatteras Yachts. For BoatTEST.com, I'm Captain Steve. We'll see you on the water.